a few foot pieces of different shapes scattered on the floor. For which foot piece would the ant have to take a longer round? For solving this problem, you have to remember that circumference of a circle can be obtained by using the expression C is equal to 2 pi r, where r is the radius of the circle. So let us begin the solution of this question. The first thing which we have to do is we have to find the perimeter of the given three figures. So let us first find the perimeter of the first figure. You can see that this figure 1 is a semicircle with diameter 2.8 centimeter. Since the diameter of this semicircle is 2.8 centimeter, the radius would be 2.8 by 2, that is equal to 1.4 centimeters. The perimeter of the semicircle will be given by pi r plus 2r. Here we have been given that the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So circumference of this semicircle will be pi r plus we have to consider the length of the diameter, which is 2r. So that is equal to 22 by 7 into 1.4 plus 2 into 1.4. So 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 0.2 is 1.4. So we have 22 into 0.2, which is 4.4 plus 2 into 1.4, that is 2.8, which gives us 7.2 centimeter. Hence, the perimeter of the first foot piece is equal to 7.2 centimeters. Next, we have to consider the second foot piece. So we have redrawn the foot piece. So let us name the ends as A, B, C, D. So we have to find the perimeter of A, B, C, D. So that is AB plus BC plus CD and this arc AD. The perimeter of the second foot piece would be AB plus BC plus CD plus arc AD. So we write AB plus BC plus CD plus arc AD. Now arc AD is the semicircle of diameter 2.8 centimeters. And it is also given that this length is 1.5 centimeter. That means CD is 1.5 centimeters and so is AB. Since this diameter of this semicircle is 2.8 centimeters, so we can say that BC is also 2.8 centimeters. So we can write AB plus BC plus CD plus arc AD as, so we have found AB as 1.5 centimeters. So 1.5 plus BC as 2.8 centimeters. So it is 2.8 plus CD is 1.5 centimeters. And now arc AD. What is arc AD? Arc AD is the semicircle. And we know that the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So perimeter of the semicircle will be pi r. And we have already seen that the diameter is 2.8. So the radius will be 1.4 centimeters. So we can write the length of arc AD as 22 by 7 into 1.4. So this is equal to 1.5 plus 2.8 plus 1.5 plus 4.4, which gives 5.8 plus 4.4, which is equal to 10.2 centimeters. Hence, the perimeter of the second footpiece is 10.2 centimeters. Now we have to find the perimeter of the third footpiece. So here we have drawn the rough sketch of the third footpiece. You can see it consists of a semicircle and these two are two sides of a triangle. So these sides are 2 centimeters and 2 centimeters each, and we have the diameter of the semicircle as 2.8 centimeters. So let us name this as PQR. So what will be the perimeter of this shape? It will be PQ plus RQR, which is a semicircle of diameter 2.8 centimeters, plus PR. Now PQ is given as, you can see it is 2 centimeters. Now RQR is a semicircle, and here we have been given that the circumference of a circle is equal to 2 into pi into r, where r is the radius of the circle. So for this semicircle of diameter 2.8 centimeter, what will be the perimeter? It will be pi into r. So r will be here 1.4 centimeters. So we have pi into 1.4 plus PR is again 2 centimeters. So this is equal to 2 plus 22 by 7 into 1.4 plus 2. So this is equal to 2 plus 7 into 1 is 7, 7 into 0.2 is 1.4. So this gives 4.4 plus 2. So that is equal to 2 plus 4.4 is 6.4 plus 2 is 8.4. So we get 8.4 centimeter. Hence, the perimeter of the third footpiece is 8.4 centimeters. Now what are we asked to find out? We are asked to find out for which footpiece would the ant have to take a longer round. So among these three figures, the figure which has the greatest perimeter, for that footpiece the ant would have to take a longer round. So let us see what is the perimeter of each of these footpieces. Now for the first footpiece, we have found that the perimeter is, let us see, it is 7.2 centimeters, as you can see here. For the second footpiece, it is, let us see here, it is 10.2 centimeters, and just now we have found the perimeter of the third footpiece, it is 8.4 centimeter. So for the second footpiece, the ant has to take the longest round. Hence, the ant has to take the longest round for the second footpiece. That is equal to 10.2 centimeters. So with this we come to the end of the solution of this question.